Plaster of Paris, the term is derived from the Paris. Actually, before the 18th century, the plaster is first used in the center of the Paris. That's why its name became Plaster of Paris. In those days, it was used mostly for the industrial construction, but nowadays it's having many uses. Those uses we are going to discuss later. First we are going to study what do you mean by the plaster of Paris and how the preparation of these takes place. Is it clear? So the plaster of Paris is nothing but the calcium sulfate half hydrate or hemihydrate. Half hydrate or hemihydrate. Hydrate is for the water molecule. Hydrate means the water molecule, and hemi and half means this half, it is written here, okay? So its chemical name is calcium sulfate, hemihydrate or half hydrate. Actually, the parent of this plaster of Paris is gypsum. It is the base of this plaster of Paris is gypsum, okay? From the gypsum only we are preparing this plaster of Paris. And what is the formula of that gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Calcium sulfate dihydrate. Dihydrate means this gypsum is containing the two molecules of water, and it is also known as the calcium sulfate dihydrate. Okay, इसे कैल्शियम सल्फेट डाइहाइड्रेट भी बोलते हैं और इसे सल्फेट ऑफ लाइम्स भी कहा जाता है. Is it clear? Now, when that how the preparation is going on. First we took that calcium sulfate dihydrate, nothing but a gypsum. Gypsum starts heating. We providing the heat and it start heating. Heating is exactly up to the 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, 100 degrees Celsius in the Kelvin it is 373 degree Kelvin. 373 Kelvin. Okay, 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. If we add it 100 in it, it becomes 373 Kelvin. Okay. So we took the gypsum, start heating. What happened? It is heating in the clean KLKI. This is the name of that container in which that gypsum starts heating. Okay. Heating at to the 100 degrees Celsius. And after that what is happening, the 3/4 part of water molecule is eliminated or liberated. Eliminated क्या होता है कि जब ये जिप्सम हीट होता है 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर, तो उसमें से क्या होता है 3/4 पार्ट ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल निकल जाता है. बचता कितना है? आधा. एंड दैट हाफ पार्ट इट मीन्स द प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस इज रेडी. ओके, बट व्हाई डज इट सो टू heat it up to 100 degrees Celsius only? It is very important. If you are not maintaining the temperature or if you're not controlling the temperature carefully, the plaster of Paris is not going to be ready. Why does this so? Consider that if the temperature is increased above the 100 degrees Celsius, so what does it happen? All the water molecule is eliminated and the product which is remaining behind, it is nothing but a dead burnt plaster. वो कैसा रहता है? एक ऐसा प्लास्टर रहता है जिसका कोई यूज़ नहीं होता. इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली डेड. इट्स नेम इट इज़ गिवन इज डेड. इफ़ यू ट्राई टू हाइड्रेट इट, इफ़ यू ट्राई टू ऐड सम वाटर इन इट, हाइड्रेट करना मतलब पानी को ऐड करना, उसमें गीला करना उसे. If you try to hydrate it or add some quantity of water in it, it is useless for it. Why does it so? Because that half molecule also it is eliminated. It's containing the 0 molecule of water of crystallization. Is it clear? This gypsum is containing the 2 molecules of water of crystallization, but if we heat this gypsum more than 100 degrees Celsius and if you not maintain the temperature, what does it happen? It converted into the dead plaster. Is it clear? Now, is it possible to write down the half water molecule? No. It is written as a chemical formula, but practically it is not possible. Actually, this is the whole one water molecule shared by the 2 calcium sulfate molecules. यहाँ पे कैल्शियम सल्फेट के 2 मॉलिक्यूल है. वो 2 मॉलिक्यूल आधा आधा मिलाकर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल यूज करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दिस फॉर्मूला इज रिटन इन दिस वे. सी, इफ वी कैन बैलेंस इट by multiplying by 2. You know that the after the bracket, in before the bracket, if we are writing the 2, that 2 is multiplying by going to multiply with the whole bracket. Okay, now this gypsum, it is written here, it's heating at 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin. What is it being? Plaster of Paris. This plaster of Paris is containing 2 in front of it. Water molecules are here. What do you understand that? These 2 calcium sulfate molecules are here and 1 water molecule is here, which is going to be shared by these 2 molecules of calcium sulfate. That's why it become half and half. समझ आया सबको? ये 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स है, आधा पहला वाला यूज़ करता है और आधा दूसरा यूज़ करता है, उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, ये हाफ लिखा गया है. अंडरस्टूड? एंड हियर आर 3/4 molecules of water. In this way the plaster of Paris are prepared by heating. Is it clear? Now what are the properties of it? Plaster of Paris are white powder, okay, and it is having a very remarkable property of hard mass when it is wetting by the water. मतलब क्या? What do you mean by the remarkable property of it? See, if we use this plaster of Paris and for it sprinkle it water or add some water or hydrate it, what does it happen? After half an hour, it will going to be convert into the hard mass. वो क्या हो जाता है? बिल्कुल हार्ड मास में कन्वर्ट होता है. जैसे कि हम लोग देखते हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन एरिया में, इन दैट कंस्ट्रक्शन एरिया आउटसाइड सम ऑफ द वाइट पार्टिकल्स, वाइट बॉल्स आर थ्रोन आउट. दैट इज प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. ओके, so why does it so become hard? Because all the water molecules from it is eliminated or liberated. क्या हो जाता है? उसमें जो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल होता है वो पूरा निकल चुका होता है, इसलिए वो इतना हार्ड हो जाता है कि इफ़ यू ट्राई टू ऐड सम वाटर इन इट बिकम यूजलेस फॉर अस. इज इट क्लियर? सो it having the very remarkable property after adding the water it, after wetting by water it. Why does it so? Because it become the hard mass, and that hard mass is useful for casting the statues. Casting the statues मतलब statues बनाने के लिए. But while preparing the casting of statues or toys, we have to increase the some volume of the plaster of Paris. Is it clear? Some volume of the plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris की जो प्लास्टिंग होती है उसे हमें बढ़ाना पड़ता है, लेवल बढ़ानी पड़ती है. देन ओनली वी कैन कास्ट द स्टैच्यूज. लुक एट हियर, इफ वी गो दिस रिएक्शन रिवर्स, calcium sulfate plaster of Paris, after adding the water, what we are getting? Gypsum. We are getting the gypsum only, and this gypsum is having the hard mass. Okay, one more property of this plaster of Paris is that we have to store this plaster of Paris in the moisture proof container. Why does it so? Based on this reaction you can understand that if this plaster of Paris is absorbing the moisture, what does it happening? It is converting into gypsum, and that gypsum is a hard mass. Later you can't use it, it will be useless for us. अगर वो मॉइस्चर एब्सॉर्ब कर लेगा तो वो जिप्सम में बन जाएगा, और वो जिप्सम क्या होता है? हमारे लिए यूजलेस हो जाता है, जिसे हम मोल्ड नहीं कर सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, जिसमें पानी ऐड नहीं हो सकता, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. इट कम्प्लीटली यूजलेस फॉर अस. इज इट क्लियर? व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ दिस प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस? You know that plaster of Paris, we are commonly using that word is POP. ओके, POP हम कहते हैं ना कि हमने घर की POP कराई, सीलिंग की POP कराई. सो इट्स बेसिक यूज इज that sealing the house, for the house constructions it is using. Is it clear? For decorating the ceiling of the house, that is POP is using. Another thing, it will be used to cast the dentistry. Dentistry मतलब जैसे ये जबड़ा होता है, दांत होते हैं, उसका जो सैंपल बनाने के लिए यूज़ होता है वो प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस इसके लिए यूज़ होता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन द हॉस्पिटल, मेनली mostly it is used in the hospital. You know that before the exam many students are handling the plaster in their legs and in their hands, है ना. देखते हैं ना, जैसे एग्ज़ाम पास में आने लगती है बहुत बच्चे शरारती करते हैं. कोई किसी चीज़ के लिए प्लास्टर लगा के बैठता है, कोई किसी चीज़ के लिए प्लास्टर लगा के बैठता है, ठीक है ना. तो ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं. सो दैट प्लास्टर इज़ ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ दैट प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस ओनली. दे आर अप्लाइंग. वाई दैट प्लास्टर वी आर अप्लाइंग ऑन दैट healing bone? Because this plaster, after adding the water, after hydrating, it become very hard, and it does not allow that bone to move here and there. It getting a very fixed position, और वो fixed position मिलने की वजह से वो हार्ड कहीं हिलता नहीं है, and that bone is remain constant and it helps to bind that healing properly. वो जो चोट होती है उसे सुधार लाने में प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस की मदद होती है. दिस आर द सम ऑफ द यूजेस ऑफ प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस, एंड अलॉन्ग विद इट वी completed this this topic. Our next topic is water of crystallization that we are going to study after a short break.